Welcome back. We're ready for part 2 of our Finding the Beauty in Bugs. If you want to start at part 1, go ahead and head back to that now. We're going to go through this pretty quick, but stick around. You might have fun. We're starting with a body shape. Any shape you want. I did a U. We're going to divide that up into wings. And then add the tippy top of the body and what's left. We're going to give our bug a head. Again, play with shapes. A face, which really is just eyes and a little pincher mouth. I'm finding beauty in my bug, so I did cute eyes. If you want to do crazy eyes, that's cool too. This is really just like a V shape pincher. Then we're ready to add its legs. I did at least 3 segments and then a toe, but play with it. Do something different. The cool thing about this drawing is that you can really make it your own and wait until you see the different coloring pages that have come out of this lesson. I have some super cool bugs to share with you guys. If you want access to all those coloring pages, make sure you let me know. Send me an email or follow us on Facebook and comment there. Because our channel is made for kids, you can't comment on our videos. But if you go over to our Facebook page, there's a full conversation going on over there, and you can let us know what you think. Studio CIA classes, and you will find us on Instagram and Facebook. Then we're ready to add the rest of the head details. Something back here, the antennae. Then comes the fun of decorating. I'm doing the drippy look up here because I think it might have to be a rainbow bug. And then I'm doing orbs down here. I want to add a couple of little lines here first, so to make the wings look more wrinkled, ruffled. All right, so I'm starting with some big spirals in my space. They can be close, but they don't have to be. This is just one of those. There's no wrong way to do it, but students hate this technique, so I'm going to show it to you in a small form. So everything that's left, we're going to add circles, or orbs as I call them, because who can make a perfect circle? And that's not the goal. We're just filling in any space not covered in circles or spirals with black. So you can see this is going to take a while. I'm not going to talk through this so that you guys can see it in time lapse because, well, it's going to take me a while, but follow along and see what you think, because I actually find this super meditative and zen-like. I love to just go all out with my circles. So follow along and see what happens. Those are the orbs. I just find them so satisfying. I feel like I want to, well, I'm just gonna leave that because when I color it, I think it'll be different. So come back for part 3, the color with me segment of this video when it gets posted. Be sure to subscribe below so you get notified. But I'm gonna show you a super cool way to actually color these in too that give them even more of a magical look. Hope to see you in the next video.